Good afternoon. You're watching the Financial News Network. I'm Courtney Woodworth. Hedge fund manager Eddie Lampert is doing everything he can to save Sears and at the same time please his investors. This week he's buying more shares of Sears, but for his personal account. What's interesting about this is that Lampert already owns about 60% of Sears through his hedge fund ESL. So Lampert doing a private sale where he himself, the Eddie Lampert personal trading account, bought shares from ESL Holdings in a private sale that were not purchased in the open market. And that's really turning heads. Hedge fund insiders are saying this is a very unusual move for a manager. It certainly could be a sign that he's willing to go out on a limb to appease investors. According to SEC filings, Lampert's ESL investment sold close to 4.5 million shares of Sears to Lampert's personal account in private stock sales. And at Wednesday's close, those Sears shares have a market value of about $145 million. Speaking of Sears, all eyes are really on the investment itself and the company's liquidity. The problem here is that Sears is just bleeding cash. Cash flow, in fact, only estimated to be about $400 million in 2011, is down from $1.5 billion in 2010. And with Sears facing such a liquidity crunch, what's next? Well, here's the wild card. It's Sears' real estate portfolio. They have 8,000 stores, and that must be worth something, so it's possible they could sell some of the stores and raise some money. They also have strong brand names such as Craftsman and Kenmore, which they could potentially sell or license out, doing things to shore up the company's liquidity. And adding to the retailer's woes, Bloomberg reported that lender CIT Group has stopped making advances to Sears suppliers, and that will likely just intensify Sears' deteriorating financial situation. Sears is trading at $34.16 and has a market capitalization of $3.65 billion. Stay tuned for more updates throughout the day. This is the Financial News Network. I'm Courtney Woodworth.